Okay, boys and girls, one thing I wanted to show you about Activity 2. First of all, notice where I am. I'm at csfirst.com. You recognize this pink heading at the top. And you can see right here in parentheses, I'm in Activity 2. And I want to show you where I am in the video. This is video number 5. If I go back, I'll show you. See, I clicked on video 5, and now this is where I was. And I want to show you what all of these are. These 6 videos below are called add-ons. And I want you to choose 4 of these 6 add-ons to put into your project. Okay, so all of these, if you want to add a +1 button like they have in Google+, you click on Watch, and it will show you a video, and you listen to it just like you do for the videos for the other parts of the project. And it's the same exact thing. It'll show you the code and then ask you to do the same thing when you go to Scratch. Okay, so I'll just take a minute to show you. Here's my project, my profile page in Scratch, and you can see that for this +1 sprite down here, I actually went through and did the code, and you can see I have a +1 sprite on my profile page that actually works. When I click this, the number changes to +1, to +2, to +3, to +4, so that however many people click that plus on my profile page, this is keeping count. And then when I click the green flag, the number resets to 0. That's the code for the add-on for a +1 on your profile page. And that add-on was back on CS First, this one. That was this one. So I want you to do 4 of these 6 add-ons. This one creates music here. This one lets people post shout-outs on your page. This one's kind of cool. Check it out. It's hard to explain. And you can change your profile picture. So all of these are super cool. Just if you want to do all 6, you're welcome to do that, but you must click at least 4 of them and do the code and put them in your same profile page project that you're working on. Again, if you don't know how to get back to your project, open Scratch, log in so you can see your username at the top up here, and click on your briefcase, go to your stuff, and it will be the profile page starter project remix, and then click C inside. That'll take you to your project. Okay, and just a couple more things. When you're in CS First and going through the video activities, it's very important that you proceed past the last video to the wrap-up. You must watch the wrap-up. So if you click on wrap-up, it'll tell you, and you need to do this every time you're working in CS First, and I've already talked about it. When you're in Scratch, make sure you click that share button and see how the share button says it's saving. So that's what the share button does. It saves your work. Okay? And look at number 2. If you see a remix button, you have to click the remix button because that lets you sign in. And then once you're signed in, you can share. Make sure you do that every time. Okay, click on next. And then we're not doing this so much about showing projects that someone's sitting next to you because we're all finishing at different times. So the next. And now there was a club reflection for activity 2. I would like you to complete that. How did you like the activity? And then you answer this question. Computer science is a way of solving problems with computers. What's a problem you solved today and how did you solve it? I had the problem, and you guys saw it when I was showing you the video about my Scratch project, that the color variable was not showing up in the color field when I typed in my favorite color. I fixed it by checking the box next to the color variable. Do you remember this, boys and girls? I was at Scratch, and next to my data, remember this box was unchecked, and then my favorite color wasn't showing up, even though when I clicked this and I got asked the question and I type my answer in, and hit enter, it's not showing up. That's because I had to check this box. So there, I explained, and now you go to next. And now once all of these, none of these are green anymore, they're all gray or blue, it's just like you're starting over, that's when you know you're done with the activity. But you must watch all the videos, and on the fifth bubble, remember there are 4 add-ons you want to add to your project. Okay, then watch the wrap up and do the survey. And by the way, anytime there's a survey or any kind of reflection or any writing to do at CS First, you must do that.